Hello everyone. So today let's learn a new method of preparation of alkene and a very important reaction, dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. Dehydrohalogenation means removal of hydrogen as well as removal of halogen. Let's see example. Your alkyl halide. This reaction will proceed in the presence of a strong base. आपकी रिएक्शन किसी भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस की प्रेजेंस में ही होगी एंड removal of hydrogen as well as removal of halogen, dehydrohalogenation it is. Okay. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. In the presence of a strong base, in this reaction, this is your alpha, this is beta, this is also beta, this is your alpha, this is beta. This is alpha, this is beta. अल्फा से हेलोजन विल रिमूव एंड बीटा से हाइड्रोजन. बीटा से हाइड्रोजन. नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड फ्रॉम विच atom you want to remove and you will make a stable product or a stable alkene. See, स्टेबिलिटी आप ये वाला बीटा रिमूव करेंगे, दोनों बीटा सेम है, अगर कोई सा बीटा रिमूव करेंगे तो प्रोडक्ट आपको सेम ही मिलेगा. सो यहाँ पर कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. बट लेट्स सी some more examples. CH3, CH2, CH3 in the presence of KOH, that is alcoholic KOH. Now this is your alpha, beta, and this is also beta. अब यहाँ you have to decide which will form your stable product. Let's see if you will remove this beta hydrogen, then this is the product, and if you will remove this beta hydrogen, then this is the product. Now which one is more stable? Generally alkene की stability आप alpha hydrogen से you can know. यहाँ पर आपके 6 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है और यहाँ पर आपके 2 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है. So this is your stable alkene, or you can say this is your major product. Okay. Now how this reaction is proceeding, and let's dive deep into the mechanism. This reaction follows E2 mechanism. Generally, mechanism E2 elimination E2 elimination with strong base. Here no carbocation is formed And one more important thing to remember, no carbocation, that means no rearrangement at all. No rearrangement. You will feel so many times that you have to rearrange, let's make carbocation, let's make it more stable, but no, no rearrangement, that means no rearrangement, because there is no carbocation, so how you will arrange the reaction intermediate? And here the intermediate is your baby alkene. Now the stability of baby alkene is same as 3 degree, 2 degree, and then 1 degree. 3 degree, 3 degree, 2 degree, and 1 degree. Now let's understand the mechanism, that is CH2, CH3. Here comes your, oh god, alcoholic KOH. Now इस alpha से halogen and beta से hydrogen. You have to remember halogen from alpha and hydrogen from beta. So hydrogen, and this bond is also breaking halogen. Okay, because we are going to remove halogen as well as hydrogen. Now इससे लेने के लिए आपके पास एक बेस है, so delta positive charge will be here and delta negative will be here. This is your transition state, and the reaction intermediate is your baby alkene. Baby alkene is reaction intermediate. Now CH2, CH2, hydrogen is removed, halogen is removed, double bond, that means alkene plus water plus KCl. So as you know the reaction, as you know that reaction, as you know that reaction intermediate is baby alkene, that means 3 degree alkene is more stable than 2 degree, then 1 degree. This is the order of stability of alkene, or you can say the stability of your reaction intermediate. Now this is this is a bimolecular reaction, that means rate of reaction is directly proportional to alkyl halide as well as your base. Base and alkyl halide both will be included in the rate determining step. Okay, so no carbocation, no rearrangement, and intermediate, your intermediate is baby alkene, and rate of reaction, or you can say the reaction rate depends upon alkyl halide as well as alcoholic KOH. That means your base. Now let's see some more examples. Solve it on your notebook and let's see. Hope you understand the reaction. Do it right now. Okay, solve these two reactions. These two. Okay. This is your alpha, this is beta. यहाँ पर होगा क्या? CH3 CH2. This is your product. यहाँ पर आपको डेफिनेटली ऐसा लगेगा कि आप कार्बोक्रेन बना देते हैं. Let's rearrange this. Let's increase its stability, but no, that is not the case here, because here no carbocation is formed, so no rearrangement. Okay, so this is your major product here. This is alpha. अल्फा से आपने हेलोजन रिमूव कर दिया है, बट बीटा has no hydrogen, so no reaction. If beta carbon does not have any hydrogen, then the reaction will not proceed further, so no reaction. Now आप स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस में और कौन कौन से बेस ले सकते हैं? लेट्स सी. स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस लेने आपको अल्कोहलिक KOH ले सकते हैं आप ले सकते हैं अल्कोहलिक NaOH, आप ले सकते हैं NaNH2, आप ले सकते हैं C2H5OH, आप ले सकते हैं C2H5ONa. These are the base that you can take. And one more important thing is आपका सेडजेफ प्रोडक्ट ही आपका मेजर प्रोडक्ट होगा. there is some expect there is a few exception which you can say your rate of reaction will depend on both alkyl halide as well as base. In case of bulky bases, as in sodium tertiary butoxide, that is, this is your base. Sodium tertiary butoxide, or you can say, if this is the case, C2H5, C2H5, C2H5. This is इथाइलअमीन। अगर आपके पास इस टाइप के बल्की बेसिस होंगे, देन these bulky bases are so large that they cannot find appropriate beta hydrogen, so they select the most easily available beta hydrogen. Because of the bulkiness of these bases, they cannot find a appropriate hydrogen, so they end up attacking or accepting those hydrogens only which are easily available for them. Let's see an example. This is tertiary. Which hydrogen is easily available? Sorry. Alpha, this is beta, this is beta. This is major product. But आपका ये आपका सेडजिव प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, आपका सेडजिव प्रोडक्ट है ये आपका सेडजिव प्रोडक्ट है, बट दिस इज माइनर बिकॉज ऑफ द बल्कीनेस ऑफ द बेस. This base cannot find this beta hydrogen, so it removes its hydrogen from here only, from this beta carbon. So this is your Hoffman product. हॉफमैन जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा आपका एक लेस स्टेबल प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा, बट बिकॉज ऑफ हॉफमैन प्रोडक्ट आपके पास एक लेस स्टेबल प्रोडक्ट एक मेजर प्रोडक्ट हो सकता है. I hope you understand this reaction. This is your beta elimination, or you can say this is E2 elimination. E2 elimination. No carbocation, no rearrangement. BB alkene is a major product. 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree is the stability of order intermediate. Okay. Hope you all understand all the preparation methods of alkene.